In this problem, you will use the unit circle. What is the inverse cosine of 1/2 in degrees? Your choices are A, negative 60 degrees, B, 30 degrees, C, 60 degrees, and D, 300 degrees. First, draw a unit circle and mark each point on the circle that has x-coordinate 1/2. How does the unit circle help you find angle measures? The unit circle helps you recall the simplest domain values for a given trigonometric function. Draw a right triangle formed by the origin and the point 1/2 y. Then draw a right triangle formed by the origin and the point 1/2 negative y. These points and the origin form two 30, 60, 90 degree triangles. From the diagram, you can see that an angle of 60 degrees has a cosine value of 1/2. An angle of 300 degrees also has a cosine value of 1/2. And an angle of negative 60 degrees also has a cosine value of 1/2. The simplest domain values of cosine that allow cosine to have values from -1 to 1 are the angles in the top half of the unit circle. Thus, even though three different angles have a cosine value of 1/2, the inverse cosine of 1/2 must be 60 degrees. So the correct choice is C.